This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 7 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now they both have the Snapdragon 855. They both have 8 gigs of RAM and both are on Android 9 Pie with their respective overlays. Let me know in the comments below which one you think will win, and also let me know which phone you think looks better back here. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both phones. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. OnePlus Messages app. Very close. Camera. And let's go. Give that to the S10. Clock on both phones. Very identical. Start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Chrome and Samsung Internet. We'll do a search for GSM Arena. Go. And let's go. Looking at the progress bar up top. Ooh. Oh. I think I'm gonna give this to the S10 Plus. We'll go all the way to the bottom and go to the desktop version. And looking at the progress bar again. Ooh, maybe the S10 Plus again. These ads came up first. We'll pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on the S10 Plus. However, on the OnePlus 7 Pro, because of this phone's 90Hz display, nice and buttery smooth on the pinch to zoom action. Yeah. In person, you can't tell on camera, but there is a definite difference. Calculator on both. Call that one a draw. Very close. Play Store. Draw. We'll do a search for the annoying TikTok app. Go. We'll go ahead and install it. See which one does it faster. Go. Both are downloading. Now this may have to do with internet speeds, so you can take this with a grain of salt if you want, but just to give you a general idea. And both are installing. Which one is gonna come out in front? I'm gonna give this to the OP7 Pro. So you can see, S10 Plus still installing this. And there we go. Amazon shopping. Very close. Click on this deal of the day and we'll leave it there. eBay. I think that was the 7 Pro. We'll click on that and we'll leave it there. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones. And give the win to the OP7. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle, both are loading. Ooh, very close. I think the OP7's ahead. We'll confirm that in a second. And give the win to the 7 Pro. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both. Very close. Ooh, 7 Pro's ahead. Will the S10 Plus catch it? It does not, and give the win to the OnePlus on this. Asphalt 9. Oh, 7 Plus is ahead, or 7 Pro. 7 Plus, that's an iPhone, what am I saying? And give the win to the OnePlus. PUBG. Oh, OnePlus is ahead once again. Will the S10 catch it? I kind of doubt it. Both are loading right now. And we'll give the win to the OnePlus 7 Pro on this one. As you can see, out in front. Adobe Photoshop Express. I do have this 8K image here. Gonna click on the white balance on both, and I'm gonna click on shade. There we go. I'm gonna jack this filter up all the way, click on the export, and I'm gonna save the gallery and see which one will save this faster. Now keep in mind, OnePlus 7 Pro does have the new UFS 3.0 storage, so let's see what happens right now. Go. Oh, very close. Couldn't really tell in real life. Slow down the video for me. Twitter, OnePlus, Instagram, Thai, Snapchat. Very close. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see both phones have 8 gigs of RAM. So let's see what happens. We'll go through these apps again and we'll check it out. Looking good so far. Going through these apps. And what happened here? I don't think that's a full reload. Angry Birds. Same place. Okay, looking good. Temple Run. Ready to resume. Mario Run. Mario Time, that's for show. eBay. Good to go. A little bit of a lag on the S10, but not too bad. Play Store, nice and fast on both. Woo! Just flying through these apps. And the browsers, good to go. Clock, still running in the background. Camera. There you go. Messages. Man, nice and butter, both phones. And the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a OnePlus fan? Do you have yourself this brand new OnePlus 7 Pro or the OnePlus 7? Do you have yourself the OnePlus 6T or OnePlus 6 or the OnePlus 5, etc.? This is the best OnePlus phone that's ever come out, now with a curved glass front and back, and no notch or cutout of any sort on the screen. Makes the viewing experience on this device absolutely awesome. Combined with this phone now having stereo speakers, hard to beat, and also, not to mention, the 90 Hz display. Or are you a Samsung Knight, rocking the Galaxy S10 Plus or the Galaxy S10? Or are you on a budget and rocking the S10e, the Galaxy Note 9 from last year? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.